My name is Kaden, and I'm gonna show you how to protect yourself from too much heat from the sunlight and loud noises. Which one should I use? This one or this one? I think this one looks better. You need a cap or a hat to protect your skin from too much sunlight. You can also use a umbrella for better protection from the sunlight. But it's still too bright. I think I need this. You need sunglasses to protect yourself from the brightness of the sun.
Kaden.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mom. I'm covering my ears because it's too noisy outside. You can also stay away from loud places to protect your ears. That's it, everyone. Hope you like this video and you learned from it. Bye!